Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The Brent and US West Texas Intermediate crude oil benchmarks rose more than $1 a barrel to end last week, as markets watched for signs of any direct conflict between Israel and Iran that could further tighten supplies. China's foreign exchange reserves rose in March, official data showed, even as the US dollar climbed against other major currencies. The country's foreign exchange reserves, the world's largest, rose by $19.8 billion to $3.246 trillion last month. The US dollar lost ground this past week, but the tide could turn back in its favor in the coming days, especially if Wednesday's US inflation report surprises to the upside and triggers a hawkish repricing of interest rate expectations.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's EcoWatchers survey, Current, will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey, Outlook, at 0500 hours GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT, Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.